Guys, again, this is the second recording of the day, and as you can see, London just went home for something like 25 minutes ago, and we are having, I don't know if this is a break, but we are having a move higher on the euro dollar 120.43. As you can see, cable trying for the 150 again, and the US dollar Japanese yen resting on the 100 level. It is interesting to note that we're going to have the FOMC later in the day, and after the FOMC minutes today, we are going to have Mr. Bernanke speaking, so another risk event. Now, what I would like to show you and what I would like to take a look at is the euro US dollar. This is a 1-hour chart, and the reason that I want to analyze this move is the move from the 134 from the highs in the 134 till the recent lows. I don't know if these lows are going to be the temporary lows, but I would not rule out a possible zigzag, because this move from the highs doesn't look impulsive. Now, if it doesn't look impulsive, this move here, then it must be something else. As you can see, for example, these are the highs in the 134, and I wanted also to show you this move from the 134 to the recent low, because this move happened since 2 weeks ago when we had the FOMC meeting, and now we are having the minutes with the details. They are going to explain us what was happening during that meeting. So this is the price action in this 2 weeks. From my point of view, not an impulsive move as a price action. So normally these are the highs in the 134 and the 600 pips to the downside, as everything related to the US dollar went to the upside. But what I'm seeing here, and what I will have into consideration is this contracting triangle here. This is a contracting triangle. Something like this. And whenever you have a contracting triangle, you have only two possibilities for this triangle to be: either at the end of the third wave or at the end of a B wave in a compass correction, so to say. Now, if this would have been a fourth wave, then you should take the Fibonacci expansion from the highs. Okay, let's say this is the 1 and the 2, but yet again you are seeing that the third wave is not extended here. But make no mistake, this is a contracting triangle. Now, if this is the case, then what we are looking for, we are looking at a possible B wave, and this B wave should be the B wave of a zigzag. So either this is a zigzag in the form of A, B, the B to end here, so in the form of A here, and then you have A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, and this to end the contracting triangle here. So the A, the B, and then we're looking for the C. So the contracting triangle will be labeled like this: A. This is a contracting triangle who's not having the first leg, wave A, as the longest wave, but it is still a beautiful contracting triangle. As you can see, all the legs of a triangle are being on a three-wave style. So this is A, B, C, D, and E. So A, B, C, D, E, and this is the triangle normally for the B wave. I don't think that this is a fourth wave type, so we won't even consider that one. So A, B, and now looking for a C. Well, it is usual for zigzags. If this is a zigzag, it is usual for the C to equal the A wave. So the length, let me change the color for this one. So if you take the projected move and put it by the end of the triangle here, then the lows should go towards 127.22. So while I would not rule out another move to the downside to take the recent lows here, it might be that the move is already being done here. If you are looking at the structure, so this is a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, impulsive move, then a contracting triangle, and there you go. The other one, let's say. A1, 2, not here, but 2 probably here. Now, if you take this for being another impulsive move, that you need also the third wave to be extended. So, what I would say is, if you should take a Fibonacci expansion, that should go from the lows here, like this, and as you can see that the 161.8 extension comes exactly at the recent lows. So I would say that this is a third wave here. And normally, in order to have an impulsive move, we might just have a new low for the fifth wave to the downside. Now, if this is the case, it might be the case very well that the B wave here, not to be ending at this contracting triangle, but the B wave to be this A, B, C, so the B wave to end here, or even this to be the A and this to be the B. And in this case, still looking for something like this. So this should be your first wave, and then from this moment on, from here, you are looking for an approximately move to the downside, but still pointing towards a new low. So this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I would consider this move. Okay. So I would consider most likely the first scenario. So basically, a new low for the euro dollar will not be out of the question. So take into consideration that this is 127.50 area, so 127.22 possible new low for the euro dollar. Now what would this mean for the other pairs? It remains to be seen. At the moment the euro dollar seems to be quite bullish with 128.47, but we're going to have two important events today. That is going to be the FOMC meeting minutes and the speech from Mr. Bernanke later in the day. So what I would do, I would not rule out a new low for the euro dollar, and hence we should have an aggressive move to take the lows. But then I will try to buy all these downsides, because this doesn't look impulsive as well at all. Okay. So until next time, stay safe on the market till tomorrow morning during London time, and try to avoid mistakes on such an important day like this one today. So better stay on the sidelines than risk your portfolio. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.